So this is going to be resetting the oil maintenance light for a 2008 Toyota 4Runner. What you want to do is first turn the car to the second position. You don't need to start it. Go to odometer by clicking this little button here on the side. So 1, trip B, odometer. From this point on, what we're going to do is turn the vehicle off. We're going to hold down this button. Hold it down and turn the vehicle on. Wait for the maintenance light to start blinking. When it starts to blink, that should be the reset. And then it turns off. On some Toyotas, they'll give you the dash lines here on the middle. It'll be like a dash, 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 and then turn off. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make sure that the light is reset, turn the vehicle off, turn it on, start it. And the maintenance light is off on the side. So that's how you reset the oil maintenance light for a 2008 Toyota 4Runner. Thank you for watching.